We back with another G-body. Y'all know I'm gonna enjoy this one. 1986 Pontiac 2+2. She has the small block V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic. Paint is in good shape. Frame and floor pans are solid. Lower doors are solid. Interior is nice and clean. This is another rare G-body that was only made one model year. Only 1,118 were produced. Let's check it out. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs on the lower doors. Deck lid. Trunk nice and clean. She has power windows, power locks, bucket seats, console, floor mounted shifter, headliner, back seat nice and clean, package tray. Mileage reads a little over 35,000. Upper dash, lower. She has a small block V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic. Power brakes, AC, power steering. Start her up. Fire right up. Y'all make sure y'all go over and visit rollingmuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. Your dream car is one call away. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. As y'all can see, she's running nice and strong. Look how sexy that G-body is. Thank y'all for watching and y'all have a good one.